Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Peacock how to cancel. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel your subscription on Peacock TV, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Peacock application, and once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on your account icon on the bottom right of the screen, which is right here. Then once you tap on that, you'll find the account option on the top right of your screen. Simply select that. Now under account, what you need to do is select plans and payments. Then once that's done, simply tap on that. Scroll down and your plan or subscription will be shown right here. All you gotta do is select the plan or the subscription and scroll down and you'll find an option that says cancel this subscription. All you gotta do is simply select it and you'll be asked, are you sure, or maybe so offers to say. All you gotta do is scroll down and select the option that says cancel anyway or confirm cancellation. And once that's done, your plan will change to free plan and you won't be charged again. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.